So I have the AEG here because tomorrow the other key life will be here. Yes, they replaced the key life by another key life, and the AEG is making weird sounds in this drum. Look. There you see. So I hope they are the bearings and not the spider. So I don't know why they closed the door, so everything's clean now. And it's like brand new. As you can see, I repaired some things that were inside, like the pressure switch was broken. Well, broken. The thing that you plugged for in the cabinet, it was broken. I just glued it back. So, and the other thing that I don't know its name, I need to do the drum clip, see how this is. The other thing is like the thing that powers on. Well, let me see it. So I'm here, let me put the camera good because I'm filming with my tablet. Oh my god. Now. Screwdriver. Now we remove the panel. So, as you can see, this is the pressure switch that I have glued back, and this thing that I don't know how it's called, but I glued it back. These cables, I don't know for what they are. I think it's for putting my jet system or something like that. I put some glue here to do like good thing. So here's the hygiene side. So, I don't know if it's a rat. Please, it's not a rat. So, I hope it's nothing bad. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.